ये है 363 ब्रिस्टल रोड वेस्ट, Mississauga. Detached house, 4 bedroom, with five washrooms. Let's see this house. Living and dining with laminate floors. ये मैं अपने आईफोन से बना रहा हूँ तो मे बी कि कुछ क्वालिटी इतनी बेटर ना हो, but I'm trying my best. This is a main entrance. Basically, I can move here. This is a entrance, double door entry के साथ. On our left side, this is a powder room. Let's see here. साथ ही separate entrance है और dryer and washer, new appliances हैं with manufacturer's warranty. और यहाँ से हम किचन की तरफ आते हैं और फैमिली रूम की तरफ. This is new kitchen with backsplash and steel appliances, same with manufacturer's warranty. इस घर को completely हमने renovate किया है. और इसको nicely with low budget के अंदर हमने इसको stage किया है. यहाँ से एक दफ़ा entrance हम देखते हैं, double door entry. I can see from here, this me. ये और family room के लिए ये family room with laminate floors और fireplace. It's a beautiful fireplace. और इसको inside आके देखते हैं. Very beautiful, decorated, simple, elegant, with 2 windows. पहले इस घर में different paint tone थी, हम लोगों ने change किया. Patio door with new grass. Lot size इस घर का 45 by 108 है. Very nice neighborhood, Mississauga में, close to Heartland and Square One, almost in the middle. Or once again, kitchen with ceramic tiles. And let's go from this side. Living and dining all together with nice window. और अब हम ऊपर जाते हैं. Stairs for bedrooms. और let's see here. यहाँ पर one room, closets with organizers, nice हैं, अच्छी बनी हुई हैं, for a lot of room, space इसमें काफ़ी है. Neighborhood, nice neighborhood है. Nice backyards. One of the best neighborhood in Mississauga, you can say. That is the master bedroom. We can go later. And this is the second room. Let's turn on the light. Yeah, a little bit staging with window and same thing. All closets, lot of space, and नाइस कारपेट है, अच्छी क्वालिटी का. And let's see the main washroom. And let's see, this is main washroom and nicely staged this house. And let's see, this is the third room. Same thing, little bit staging. And from here we can see our other rooms. 1, 2. This is main washroom, and this is the third one. The fourth one is, this is the master. It's a quite reasonable size. This window, carpeted, with ensuite and walk-in closet. This is walk-in closet, very nice. And here, let's see, so this one is ensuite with 5 pieces, standing shower, tub, and this one nicely staged, nice lights.